Hey beauties, welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. I've been doing a little shopping, clothing shopping lately, and I wanted to share to you what I got for my kids and myself. Lately there has been a lot of sales, so I am grabbing that opportunity. I think it is wise to buy items that on sale because you really save a lot of money on it. So yeah, I'm cheap, I know, but who cares? So yeah, let's get on with this clothing haul. And so I guess I'm gonna be showing to you the stuffs that I got for my kids. I went to Uniqlo, yes, and I got them just basic stuffs. Actually, I got my little girl 2 pairs of leggings because she likes leggings so much, and for the both of them I pick up this. For me, I think this is so cute, this cute bunny blouses. I get them both the same pair, yeah, the same blouse. I get the same blouse for each of my 2 girls. And then, so let's just, make this really quick because I don't want to watch a very long video. So the next blouse that I got her, my little one, is this pretty Chupa Chups blouse. So she already has something like this in colored white, and since she liked it so much, she always keeps on wearing that, so I decided I will buy her another, but in a different color. And then I also got another pretty bunny shirt that they could pair with leggings too. So this is it, so pretty. So I got them both with colored blue and pink because they always wanted to not exactly wanted to wear exactly something the same, but something that's a little closer, because my little girl gets jealous with her ate sometimes what her ate is wearing. Sometimes she says, oh, I want that too. So I always buy something for them that is a little similar. And then I went to the store nearby called Shimamura, and I bought them since this is on trend right now. So I bought them this skirt. It's so pretty. Yeah, camouflage. Why I cannot say that? Camouflage skirt. Yeah. So I got them both the same camouflage skirt because that's what is on trend right now. So I got her this denim shirt, and then pairing this with this pretty cutesy blouse. So yeah, definitely she will like this one. And then I also pick up this pretty blouse from there. Everything not really everything is on sale, but some of these are on sale, like this one. This is on sale and it's so gorgeous. It's just a simple white. Wow. So yeah, so what I got for myself from Uniqlo is this denim leggings. It's so pretty, it's so comfortable, and I like it. It fits perfectly on me. So this is the one that I got. And then I also picked up this face blouse so that I could pair this with my what's that, leggings, denim leggings. So it's so cute, I believe. Yeah, so I picked that one. And then what I got from the same store, from Shimamura, I pick up this stripe, what's this, shirt. I also pick up this striped shirt from Shimamura. And then I also pick up another blouse there from Shimamura in stripes still, but it's vertical. I think this is so pretty. Yeah, super perfect for the summer because it's so freaking hot. And then I went to where else did I went? And then I went also to H&M, and then I picked up 3 blouses from there. So at first I picked up this one. This is in, what color is this? Dark blue colored blouse. It's so pretty actually. Pretty long. And I am in the size M. No, size S. Yes. I picked up 2 of it, blue and black. And then the last one that I pick up from H&M is this white flowy blouse. So pretty. Yeah, it's on sale. Can you see that? Oh yeah, so darn cheap. I also went to Old Navy and I only bought 2 shirts from there. I pick up this gray colored t-shirt because it's the summertime. It's so comfortable to wear this one. This shirts during the summer. It's a cotton type shirt, so yeah. And then the next shirt that I pick up from Old Navy is this, still a summery shirt in an orange striped shirt. Yeah. Perfect for. So yeah, I guess that's all for my clothing haul for today. And I'm happy that I finished it super fast because I don't want a very long video. So yeah guys, I hope you've liked this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that others can also see it. And please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And always remember, be nice to people and keep that smile. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care everyone.